Did you know Philippine coin known as piso is made of nickel-plated steel? Yes, you heard it right. Nickel-plated steel. It gives it durability and shiny appearance. Ooh, look how shiny it is! Anyway, there are two types of Philippine coins. One is old and is originated from, I don't know what year. Okay, nowadays, okay, it is originated from 2005. And it's nickel, and it's still made of nickel-plated steel. Trivia time! Yes, you heard it right. It's trivia time. Did you know Philippine coin makes a sound when you hit the Philippine coin, or known as for the Filipino, Philippine piso. If you're proud on the Philippines, click that like button now. Friends from the Philippines, I'm not a like beggar, so don't tell me I'm a like beggar. So, salamat sa pagnonood!